Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be using this Fenty Snap shadows. This is the first one, and I love this number one because it's just natural colors and you just can't go wrong with it. And it's super beginner friendly and it's just one of my favorites. I wanted to use it for this photo shoot because I wasn't gonna do any like close-up shots or anything, so I decided to just do a little natural look that will still enhance my eyes just a little bit, just to add a little pop of shimmer here and there. I did go to the park to go take these pictures. In a bit, you'll see me go crazy at the park because it was a perfect day to go out to the park. And I was surprised that nobody was at the park at the moment. So I was like, this is my time to go because I won't have the fear of people looking at me. No, as soon as I got there, everyone started getting there. Yeah. Anyways, I did manage to get some good pictures. So I guess I'm okay with that. Yeah, So this is the look. I hope you learned something or you got some inspiration, and I'll see you next time. This is the look for the second day, reaching. Mainly because it's not going to be up close to my face, I think. So just wanted to go with something simple. This is obviously fake. I couldn't find the one that actually, trying to bend it so it won't keep falling off. But yeah, up close. I tried not to put too much base, like foundation and all that stuff, because I don't know, lately I haven't been feeling that, so that's why I got this powder. Oops, so much. So these are my go-tos to get this, it's just a little pick-me-up. But yeah, this one is super vibrant, that's why I kind of just tapped on it. That's all I can say about this makeup look. I will see you. I have a pretty view. I'm gonna go like this real quick. There's like mountains and just, scenic, right? But like I said, there was no one, so that's why I was okay with like taking out the camera. But now I feel weird because there's kids in the playground. I don't want to take pictures of kids, or I don't want them to come out in the back of my videos, I'll see what I can do. I tried. I really did try recording with my camera, but I don't know. I still have my tripod out, so I think I'm just gonna record and see if I can take pictures with my phone. Yeah, but if not, then I'm just gonna walk back because literally no one was outside, and as soon as I sat down to take pictures, why?